hear the back tire leaking really bad. And I don't have the tool here to take off the oil filter, but I do have a brand new one right here. But I do have these, so let's see if those work. Got it. There's a little bit of dripping out. Good. Just a little bit stronger. Oh no! The cap came off of the container. At least this should be easier to get in because I have a 17 mil socket on the outside. I know, fill it up with oil first. I know. Soaks all the way down in. This worked getting the old filter off. Make sure this is all the way tight now. Yeah, that's all. So the reason why the jack's out is because when that back tire deflates, the bike actually gets level and then wants to fall over. So I'll put this right there. Keep it up just a bit. That container, this is where the old oil will go back into. Not to go back in here, but, you know, disposal stuff. This is with it on its side. Let me lean it upwards towards me. Yep. And that's level. Lean a little bit more. Yep, so we're probably just line it up right. Yeah, so we're just above full. Carbs are empty. Wow, it goes through fuel pretty fast. Put it level here. Yeah, so we're a tad bit below full now. So yeah, there was some that need to go into the oil filter, but I think we're good. So I solved the mystery of the flashing light. That would be why. This sounds so much better. That's how cold it is right now. Yeah, it's warm. You can see my breath, but you can definitely see it right here. Look at that. And we're still getting some water splatter. And you're probably thinking, oh, it's coolant. There's no water in there. It's oil cooled only. It's probably from combustion, but you know, I'm not absolutely sure yet. We'll find out. It's not gas. Yeah, it's not gas. But this is where it two-piece coupled together. It's cold. It's really cold. That's just other oil, but yeah, it's just water. But you know, that's what happens in combustion. Filling it back up. There it is. The full level. Right below. So yeah, we're good. And so it doesn't fall over in the middle of the night. When I do pull out the engine, I will take off. What is it called? Oh, that's hot. I will take off the top and make sure all the gap for the exhaust and intake valves are right. It's all in the manual. It's actually in like every 30,000 miles it says you're supposed to do it, so just with how weird this configuration is, like closeness, which is not really weird, but just, you know, in terms of a car, it's kind of weird. Because of how small of a space we have in here, it's unlikely that someone's done it recently.